Hello, now we are solving a nested absolute value equation. We'll peel it back layer by layer to find all the values of x that make it true. We see that we have the equation, the absolute value of 2x minus 1 minus 3 equals 4. Now, what we're going to do though is substitute to simplify. And we're going to let a, and I'll point that out, we're going to let a equal the absolute value of 2x minus 1, which will turn the equation into the absolute value of a minus 3 equals 4. So we have this absolute value, I'll just rewrite it down here, of a minus 3 equals 4. So this is what the equation turns into. Now, what this tells us though, the absolute value of a minus 3 equals 4, it means that we have two cases. And that looks like this. A minus 3 equals 4, or a minus 3 equals negative 4. A minus 3 equals negative 4. We're going to solve for a. In both cases, we'll add 3 to both sides. And we have a equals positive 7. For the second case, we're adding 3 to both sides as well. And we have a result of a equals negative 1. So I want you to remember something here. That a stands for the absolute value of 2x minus 1. But also know this, absolute values can never be negative. So a equals negative 1 is impossible. So we can get rid of that. Now we can solve the absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals 7. So I'll just rewrite that over here. The absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals 7. And this also gives us two cases. So I will just go ahead and rewrite it. 2x minus 1 equals 7. Or 2x minus 1 equals negative 7. We're going to solve for x this time. We'll add 1 to both sides. And that is 2x equals 8. Solve for x by dividing by 2. X equals 4. Let's do the same with the second case. We'll add 1 to both sides. And that is equal to 2x equals negative 6. Solve for x by dividing by 2. X equals negative 3. These are our two cases. As you can see, we have x equals 4 or x equals negative 3. We keep the x equals negative 3 this time because if you plug it in back into the original equation, the absolute value stays positive. So both x equals 4 and x equals negative 3 works. And that is our final answer. X equals 4, x equals negative 3. So when you see nested absolute values, start with the inside, simplify, and always check if your answers make sense. In the next problem, we'll switch to a real world problem using systems of equations to figure out how many smoothies and bowls a shop sold based on their total sales.